Soak the ladyfingers in milk and place them on plastic wrap next to each other in a rectangle. Mix the softened butter in a bowl. Pour milk into the saucepan placed on the heat. Add sugar. Boil, stirring continuously with a whisk. In the bowl with milk, dilute vanilla-flavored pudding powder. Pour the mixture into the saucepan with milk. Boil the cream until it thickens. Mix the cream with the whipped butter. Mix the cream until smooth. Add coconut flakes and mix well. Put the cream over the ladyfingers. Spread into an even layer. Place Raffaello chocolates along one of the edges in a row. Roll the ladyfingers with cream tightly. Chill the roll for 1 hour. Unwrap the roll from the plastic wrap. In the bowl with whipping cream, add powdered sugar and vanilla extract. Mix into a firm cream. Spread the roll with a generous layer of whipped cream. Put Nutella into a pastry bag. Decorate the roll with Nutella and chill for 20 minutes. Place Raffaello chocolates on the roll. Mix cocoa with sugar. Put into the cup. Boil the milk. Pour a little into the cup and mix well. Fill the cup with milk. Serve with marshmallow. Raffaello cakes beautify holiday tables every time. With an intense coconut taste and aroma, this roll will always be to everyone's liking.